Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get movable 3D lock screen wallpaper in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the photos and now just select the respective wallpaper, whichever you want to set as a lock screen wallpaper. Just tap and hold on it. And now you will see here share option, just click on it. Now just click on this use as wallpaper. Now just click on this option. Now it's generating spatial scene. So now you can see the preview. So you can see here it's looking a 3D style movable lock screen wallpaper, as you can see right now. So once you're done with your editing, on the above you will see here add, just click on it. Now just click on this set as wallpaper appear. So finally we have set. Now you can minimize it. So now let us go to the lock screen. So now you can see here the lock screen. Now you can see we have got a movable 3D lock screen wallpaper, as you can see right now. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get movable 3D lock screen wallpaper in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.